Hey there, today we're going to look at how to publish GitHub repository to the world. So let's get started. First, make sure you have created your repository and added all your files. Over here, go to settings. After that, make sure the default branch is set to main. Then go to pages in the bottom left corner under code and automation. Over here, make sure deploy from a branch is selected. After that, click on None and select Main. Then select Root and click Save. Over here, GitHub will start deploying your pages. After that, go back to code and you will see a circle showing the deployment process. Then click on Details to see the build status. Over here, wait until the deployment is completed. After that, go back to Settings. Then go to Pages again. Over here, you will see the URL of your project. After that, you can click on Visit Site or the URL to open your project. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.